Good morning. Myself Srishti. I just completed my 10th from Harmony International School. Today I am here explaining this. So generally this is known as the cabinet. It is not CPU. CPU is generally this small chip which we can also carry in pocket and take away. We can also adjust and remove it. There are so many components here. At first, this is hard disk. It stores data permanently. We also have RAM, which is situated here. RAM stores data temporarily, whereas hard disk stores permanently. This is the cooling fan. It is attached to the cabinet. When the graphics or the gameplays or graphics are high, it releases air and starts exhaustion. Then when we come to connectivity, there are various parts we can connect and disconnect. First we have keyboard. So it consists of 105 to 104 keys. We can type with it, and we can also it has USB port. At the back panel of motherboard, there are USB ports situated. USB is generally defined as universal serial bus. We can connect like this and then use. There are two types of keyboard. Same with the mouse. One is wired keyboard and one is wireless. And we can also remove it like this. In the case of wireless keyboard, there are some chips. We call it as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can connect like same situation. Then we have mouse. This is the wireless mouse. It has a chip. It has a chip like this. It is also USB. We call it Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can connect the same methods. Then we have biometric thumb. It generally scans your fingerprints and is usually used for documentation purpose. It also has USB port. Like this, you can connect and disconnect. Then we have this is a VGA cable, visual graphic adapter. We can connect like here, lock it, and then connect to the back side of monitor here. This is USB extension, generally defined as USB extension. When we are out of stock from here, we connect this, then we get additional four USB connectors, and we can also connect various components to this too. Then we have web camera. So monitor generally doesn't have a camera like laptop. So we use the web camera for that. Web camera is like you can move from here or here like this, and you can attach it to the monitor like this. Situation yourself, and then you can connect. It is also USB and can be connected like this. Like this, we can attend meetings and meet people even from different countries around. And we can also work from home and all from this. Attend lectures and meetings. Then we have a VR box, virtual reality. We can experience virtual reality by attaching this like this. And it can be connected through some system, some sort of app installation, or it also has some USB setting. That's all. Thank you.